Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This is LG US20A. It's a 2.0 channel soundbar, 50 watts audio power. What I want to do is to show you how to connect this gear to your TV via Bluetooth. What you need to do is you need to switch the soundbar on, then select Bluetooth. It will tell you Bluetooth connection ready. Then switch the TV on, then go to the TV settings, select the gear button on your remote to go to the TV settings. Scroll down to sound out. The sound out is currently showing us HDMI out device. So you need to select on the sound out. Then scroll Bluetooth device. Then scroll down to device list. Select on it. Now it's searching for available Bluetooth device. LG US20A 04. Scroll up and select LG 20A 04. It's connecting. Paired. And the light is now showing us green light. So it's paired. If you look on the Bluetooth device, it will show you LG US20A 04 connected. You can play any audio or any program you want to watch. I want us to go to YouTube. This is the audio. This printer is Epson Workforce 2840. I received a question from someone. And you can increase the volume using the soundbar remote or TV remote Pro WF3820. I'm going to use. If you go to the TV settings, this guide scroll down to sound out. We need to connect the printer showing us Bluetooth device. Wi-Fi network. We connect it to computer to download the necessary driver we require. So what we need to do is first of all,
AI Sound Pro.
This is AI Sound Pro.
Go to the settings, select standard
network settings, select
cinema game AI Sound Pro.
You can print wirelessly. So go to your TV settings, scroll down to sound out, showing us Bluetooth device. So this is how to connect the soundbar and your TV via Bluetooth. This gear deserves your attention. Thank you very much indeed.